Hey friends, Legion here, back with the final part of the Republic Gunship build, Teardrop, part 17, which is actually just the stand that this, if you wanted to display this, to put it on a stand. But the most important thing is the minifigs is a part of part 17. Man, I can't talk right now, but we'll work through it. So let's just not dilly-dally about it. Let's just get right into it. We got our gunship here fully loaded. I thought we had to have maybe a little cap off up here or anything, but no. So this is all she is. Just for a reminder, we finished the ray turrets up front, which finishes it off. Got our door, our wing, our back turret, and then same over here, wing. Get my arm out of the way. But we'll set him off to the side, and we'll get right into part 17, the final part. For those of you that have made this journey with me, I appreciate it. It's been a lot of fun doing this. Anybody looking to buy this to build, I strongly recommend. It was a fun build. And as I talked before, you know, there could have been some things that they could have changed, but overall, 8.5 out of 10, maybe a 9. I loved it. I liked the build. It was fun. Sad to see it come to an end, but that's okay. That way we can move on to other builds like Luke's land speeder. I got the Mandalorian N1 Starfighter. See what else we got down here. Mos Eisley Cantina. That's going to be another fun big one. We got the Republic fighter tank. And some other smaller builds that I got free from Lego. But without further ado, let's just jump into it. I noticed we got our didgeridoos back. Love it. I'm glad they saved the best for last. And the most important step to part 17 is our minifigs. Let's go ahead and put our mace together. Not much to it. We just gotta get his lightsaber, which is supposed to be purple. I guess it does look purple. On the table it looks kind of like a blue, but that's all right. There we have it. Our Mace Windu is ready for action. We'll just go ahead and plop him down. He's gonna take a seat. Watch me do this. And we'll put our trooper together. I don't think this is supposed to be Commander Cody. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know. Don't hate me. You can leave a comment, let me know. But we will put him together as well. Pretty simple, easy enough. And we got both our minifigs done. We'll set him down. They're gonna take a little lunch break and watch their stand be built here. Right away with the didgeridoos, my favorite. Put it, oh, I got the wrong one, right here. Put it on the second hole in on each side. Get the same brick length and snap them there together. And I need the one to go underneath. Where are you? Right there you are. Put one and more didgeridoos. and they will go on the ends on each side. Now we need the top one. So we finish that off, get some studs on the side. Now we'll take two of these, snap them together, and put them on the front or side. Get our big dog, kind of a bigger dog, along with you and oh, before we do that, I need to cap off the top here, just like we did the bottom. Now, because we want this to be even up top. And once we do that, set them aside just for a moment while we make the next section. Our didgeridoos. Need 4 more. They will go on the ends as well. Need to put a white piece on the top and on the bottom. Smooth piece right here, right behind the white, followed by the grill piece, or slotted, I guess. And this will go right over top, like that. Feel a sneeze coming on. Excuse me. Now we'll take our little L-connect Technic pieces and we'll just cap off with didgeridoos on both sides, just to help hold it in place. Take 2 more of these, snap them and put them on the bottom, leaving this wide open there on the end. Need 2, and then not the big dogs, here's 1. And there. Now you want it 2 studs facing to the left. Do that twice and attach to the second hole. Oh wait, hold on. I need to rotate this up, then put it on the second hole on each side. So that looks a little something like this. Show you a little bit better. That. Now we need a long one of these fancy pieces, a wee bit shorter, a grill piece, a 2 stutter, and a brick. And now we'll put this together how they got it, put it on 3rd stud in, so you want 4 or 8 showing up front. Put your brick on the back, the tour right next, put in our little fancy smooth piece with the grill right next. And this will just butt up. We'll rotate them. Oh, you know what? I put these the wrong way. Let me just fix that real quick. You want the studs showing to the left, and you want these two studs showing facing left as well. Now we could set this right on like that. That's how it's meant to be, because the gunship will rest right on top of this. There's a hole, a little hole on the bottom of the gunship that kind of just sits on here, and this is what holds it up, which I'll show you when we go to put them on. But until then, we'll just move on, continue building our little display stand. It's nice. It looks like, you know, it won't be mounted to where, you know, if you try to take the gunship off the stand, it'll break, or something could break. I believe it just rests and kind of sits on top. Now we gotta do this 2 times. Put our didgeridoos in. And they go right on the sides with the open studs facing to the left. Put it in the first hole you can. Adjust them. We'll cap that off with a smooth piece, if you can see right there. Okay, almost lost where I was. Need a long. Now you skip 4 or 8, and then you want to skip 1. Put, skip 1, put. So that's the same on all sides, or on both sides, because there's only 2. Now we gotta make 2 of these as well. Get our pieces. We'll make them exactly the same. Put the smooth towards the left. Same with these, put them on the bottom towards the left side, because we're going to attach them on the outside of each brick. Then we'll get 2 more of our fancy pieces. 2 of you, and 6 of the 2 studders. Right there, 6. Put that underneath. Since we gotta make 2, I'll just go ahead and do both steps at the same time. Now we'll put this on top. And stack these 2 on top of each other. Put them almost on the last of it, but you want to put it right next. You don't want to put it to the far right, because they will attach on the ends. Sorry, you cannot see. They'll attach like that for now. That's what we got going on. Now I need to switch these, because these are going to slide right in these slots and just lock them into place there. And then we'll take two smooth guys and cap it off. Just to give it that uniform, smooth finish. Now we need 2 more didgeridoos. Put them on the ends. Need to put one on the bottom so we can get some side studs going, and one on the top. Put a smooth guy, and then 2 of these. Snap them together, put them on the end, and attach him on the side away from you, putting it on the second stud or second hole in, so that these are lined up like that. And now we'll do the other side, same thing but just a little opposite. Put our didgeridoos on the other side. Same thing, cap off the bottom, or put our side studs on the bottom and top. Smooth piece next to it. Then finish this side like this, and we'll go ahead and put him where he belongs. And we're on step 897. I can tell you that we are definitely going to break 900 steps for this build, if you count the stand as part of it. If you stop after part 16, you will not break 900 steps, but that's totally your call if you want the stand or not. I'm going to build it so I can kind of see what it looks like on display. I think it might look cool, but not 100% sure. Now that all kind of moves, so you can kind of angle the ship a little bit, or maybe it has to angle because of the weight. But for now, we'll move him off to the side, because I believe all we're doing is making the other side. So I need this one. Start off with our 2 didgeridoos. Put them on the second from each side in. Get our other didgeridoos out here. Put them on all 4 sides, all 4 corners. Making, looks like something a little different than last time, or than the other part. I need the, there's the one that goes over. That's under. That's under. Right there to get our 2 overs. Well, I guess we need our 2 unders as well. And 2 of you. Now it looks like we're gonna make these identical again. So we'll go ahead and just do both. Kind of even them out. Place this on the front. And put them the way they have it, facing away from you for now. And the squares smooth. This one will go underneath. Keep those from moving on you. Put the smooth at top. Right there you are. Now put our didgeridoos on each end. Cap it off with a smooth. Set that right on the back side. Now this one, put like this, and we'll flip this up so that the circle pieces are facing up. Slide him on. We'll do the same for over here. Like so. You want all your smooth facing away. I'm pretty sure it's going to do something like this. We'll move them off to the side just for the moment, because we do need to make two of these with our little smaller fancy pieces. Put one on the bottom, one on the top. Do exactly the same. Now we can bring him over and set him on each side here, just to cap it, make it the nice smooth finish too, just like the other side. Need to turn the page here. Two identical pieces, and we're going to offset them 2 rows over. Put our brick on. Put you here. Put our other fancy smooth piece on, and put the grill towards the back just like the other side. Set him on. And we're going to put our 4 stud smooth guy, just to make it look all sleek and nice. Now we can go ahead and attach. I'm going to lift up just to help push. So you got 4 studs kind of showing in the middle, if you can see that. Now we'll make the display for the minifigs, along with what to put our sticker on, and it's the description of the gunship and whatnot. Go ahead and get our pieces out, which are pretty much going to be the rest of them. I think that's it for this step. Okay, that goes first. If I can get it to snap. There we go. Put these on the ends with the smooth end facing towards the left. And oh yeah, we need to put these on each side and attach them in that open slot. I thought the stand would be a little bit bigger compared, you know, the size of the ship. But that's okay. It should do its job, and we'll just finish off smoothing out there. Make sure it's down. Give it that nice, sleek, smooth finish. And actually, we're going to use every single piece we have. The only thing we have left over is a lightsaber handle. We'll put it with our extras. We got quite a few of those, but it's nice to have. And let me find it. Oh, there's the sticker. Now, I'll slide these out of the way for the moment. It's time to put on the last sticker of this set, which is the description of the gunship. You know, the manufacturer, what line it is, the class, what role, how big it is, and what kind of weapons it is carrying. So I'll do my best. And I pulled that whole thing off. All we want is the middle. But I'll do my best to try to get this as straight as possible. Try to make it no bubbles. Let me just kind of rub it over my tummy. And I think it came out pretty good. It's almost perfectly square. And that's that. Now we can put this on. Put it in the center. We'll go ahead and let me get this out of the way because we don't need these. Throw it in our trash can. And we'll go ahead and snap this on. Let me rotate. There's one, there's two. Got our display going. We'll go ahead and attach. Lunch break's over. Mace. We can attach you, Commander Cody. Or maybe it's just a clone trooper. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. We'll go ahead and put them on, and that's what the front of it looks like. Puts them on a little display. So I'll show you in the book here, which this is step 915, which is the final step in this thick freaking book here. But 915 is, if you can see where they got it circled, that white piece showing here is going to go through the bottom of the gunship to help support and hold it up. So we'll go ahead and try to do that right now. Slide them over here, pick them up. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Let me move him over a little bit there. All right, so we'll try to go ahead. Oh, that was pretty easy. Now it's on. I guess I'll just go ahead and let me lift this up. I'll go ahead and show you kind of what we got going on. There's our little display with them on. It was pretty easy to put on. It looks good overall. Sorry for all the movement, but that's what she looks like all the way around. Pretty big build. I enjoyed it. I don't know what you guys thought, but this is one of the fun ones that I had. Don't mind me, just put my camera back right there. But overall, happy. I'll give it 8.5. Felt like they could have done some things a little bit better, and maybe that's why they got it angled, sloping down. It's because the back's so dang heavy compared to the front, which makes sense because that's where your engines are, your wings. You're just looking at all your meats back here. But I enjoyed it. One more time, I'll show you the book here, or the manual. Thick as crap. That's what we just built. I had fun. Spent a lot of time on this. Wish, you know, I'll do it again sometime. Maybe I'll get another one. Get a little army going. But until then, we'll put this one to rest. We'll move on to the next one. So stay tuned for what I got coming. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for what's coming next. Peace.